All right, let's talk about Elon Musk all over again. All right, can you believe it? Two Elon Musk videos in a week. But all right, we have to talk about Twitter. Okay, Elon Musk decides to buy Twitter again. But of course, without fail, we actually get even more insider information that there is a possibility that Elon Musk is still going for the price renegotiation. Okay, so let's get some of the numbers out of the way. $44 billion for the initial $54.20 per share for Twitter. So is it really overpaying? Well, okay, I think that doesn't really come as a question because let's be honest here, Elon Musk is definitely overpaying. Okay, because right now he's overpaying over 70 times more for the price to earning for Twitter at the moment. Okay, for people who do not know how price to earnings work, it's basically just the price of Twitter divided by the earnings per share and things like that. Right now, it's trading 70 times more than it is supposed to be trading. Normally, a company, you're going to be looking at about 10 times, 20 times. Maybe for a better companies, maybe 30 to 40 times for like forward looking companies. We're talking about Twitter here, and they're paying 70 times. Okay, so ultimately, I do think that a renegotiation is definitely on the table. Okay, but a lot of people are saying that, yeah, there's a good chance that Elon Musk is not going to renegotiate it. So let's get to the micro part of the whole entire deal. Okay, so everyone, we already know for a fact that when the Twitter deal was actually being talked about, okay, this was back in April. Okay, in April, they basically were talking about this whole entire thing. And Elon Musk is going to be getting a loan from Morgan Stanley, a $12.5 billion loan from Morgan Stanley. Okay, so at a time when Morgan Stanley got the commitment letter for the loan and things like that, and the bank debit commitment letter as well. Okay, so once they have all those letters committed and such, that letter is going to be, it's going to be good for 6 months. Okay, which is why by the 20th of October, okay, there is most likely going to be a renegotiation by the banks. But of course, let's be honest here, the banks definitely want a renegotiation to be happening. Okay, because if a bank do not want to renegotiate, it's going to be absolutely crazy because in the past 6 months alone, we all know what has been happening in the entire economy. Okay, I've been explaining this throughout my entire channel. Okay, look through the whole entire past 6 months. You already know FOMC, inflation, whatever it is, interest rates keep on going up. Okay, it is clear as a day that we all know that the banks can easily earn way more if they were to renegotiate the deal with Elon Musk. Okay, so right now, if let's just say Morgan Stanley, if they are able to actually renegotiate the deal with Elon Musk is going to pay almost, well, more than $370 million per year in terms of interest alone. Okay, that's more than $1 million a day on interest alone per year. That's how crazy it is by just, you don't really get the whole picture when we are talking about how interest rate is going up. Oh, it's just 0.75%. It's going to be another 0.5%. When you talk about basis point, 50 basis points, 25 basis point, we throw those numbers around like it's nothing. But for people who are actually getting the loan, especially for Elon Musk, getting a loan in the billions of dollars, he's going to be paying millions of dollars more every single day. Okay, just imagine that, like, having $1 million is already, a pretty hefty sum. He's going to be paying more than that every single day in just interest alone. Interest alone. Okay, so definitely the question now is that, is Tesla going to be out of the woods? Honestly speaking, I don't think so. Okay, of course, I'm looking into a lot of communities for Tesla. People are saying, oh, is Elon Musk done selling Tesla shares? Okay, of course, back in June or July, Elon Musk basically said, yeah, I'm done selling Tesla shares, because someone actually asked him, are you done selling Tesla shares for this entire equity fund for Twitter buying? And then Elon Musk basically said, yeah, I'm done selling for now. I don't think there's going to be anything else in the near future that I'm going to be liquidating as of now. But of course, if this entire deal do not actually go through by the 20th of October, for example, okay, if it doesn't go through by then, that means that the banks are going to definitely be raising the rates for the loan for Elon Musk on his own. And because of that, if the loan pay is going to be a lot higher, okay, there is a good chance that Elon Musk is going to be liquidating more of his Tesla shares in order for him to get a lower loan, hence a lower rate. Well, not really a lower rate, just a lesser payment per month, per year and such. Okay, but the thing is that I think that Tesla shares is definitely going to be affected to a certain extent. Okay, and let's not forget at the same time when they wanted to buy this $44 billion deal, okay, you have different companies, well, hedge funds and companies such as the Apollo and such, them coming saying that they are going to be pitching in for this deal as well, working with Elon Musk. Afterwards, recently we actually got words that Apollo and Sixth Street bankers they are not even going to be joining in on this sale. Okay, so those are the equities legs that we do not really have in this deal anymore that we actually had back in April. Okay, so if that were to be the case, that means that Elon Musk basically have to pay the whatever shares that Apollo and Sixth Street was actually going to buy in the first place. So maybe let's just say it's about like a few $1 billion. Those are all going to be coming out from Elon Musk's pocket as well. And of course, Elon Musk's wealth is tied to Tesla, hence more selling to be expected. Okay, but personally right now, of course, I'm looking at Twitter shares quite closely. Okay, Twitter right now, literally at the point of me recording this right now, it's a Thursday. Okay, I just want to clarify, it's a Thursday. And Twitter shares actually went all the way to $51.55. Okay, and now it's kind of like lowering back to about $51 or so. We do understand that Twitter is going to be sold at $54.20 to Elon Musk if this deal actually go through. Of course, there's a little bit of a price difference because people are expecting that if this deal were to actually be going off, the amount of price difference is not really worth the risk for you to actually get into. Okay. However, personally, what I might actually be doing is I might be doing a little bit of a bear straddle. Okay, because if anything, I feel that there is a very, very good chance that Elon Musk might want to really renegotiate this deal downwards to maybe a $42 per share. And now here's the reason why. Because right now we are expecting, if we were to put Twitter on a pedestal and we were to rate them quite highly, we will put them at about $30 per share. Okay. And if, let's just say $30 per share is a good price for Twitter to sell, hypothetically. Of course, willing seller and willing buyer, that's the main condition for a sale. Okay, but the thing is that I don't think Parrot Agro is definitely I don't think he's gonna be like, yeah, $30, let's do the deal. Okay, however, I do think that if they are actually gonna be coming out to a $42 deal, okay, and of course, going with the narrative of how Elon Musk always like to do something with 420 and such, I think that there will be a better price target. And however, if we're actually doing it at a $42 deal, that means that the current price target, the current price action for Twitter at $51 at the moment will not make sense at all. So I don't think that this current $3 difference is going to be making up that much of a risk difference. If anything, I feel that Twitter right now should at least be at about like $48 because the upside risk is really too much for personally. Okay, so what I intend to do is that I'm going to be doing a bear straddle, which is I'm going to be doing a call and also a put at the same time for Twitter on its own. Okay, because I'm expecting Twitter to actually be going down hopefully in the short term, because we're expecting to get an answer by 20th of October, be it Elon Musk comes out with a renegotiation deal, or this whole thing just goes off, Elon Musk just pay a $1 billion fine, and then this whole thing just poof disappear. And honestly speaking, I feel that it's a lot better if Elon Musk just pay that $1 billion and just call it quits. But of course, according to Elon Musk, he actually tweeted out that acquiring Twitter is going to help with X, maybe by minusing about 3 to 5 years. But of course, it's not sure either. But yeah, if according to his narrative that if that is going to be helping with X, which is basically like this kind of like the Western WeChat, I guess, which is this kind of super app that Elon Musk is actually trying to create. Of course, if that's going to be helping forward X to that extent, of course, that's going to be a good thing. Okay, but ultimately, I don't think paying $52.40 per share. Oh no, $54.20 per share I don't think that's going to be a good margin for Elon Musk to really get into. So that's kind of what my thoughts are. I don't think that I think paying $1 billion, backing out, just paying the fine is a lot better than just continuing head first. But then let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. And anyway, if you like this sort of video, give it a like. I do post videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Anyway, that's all I have for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.